Alright, we're going to go ahead and get started with creating a class notebook. So the first thing you want to do is go into your Office 365. It's going to pull up for us here. And you'll see you have, these are all of your apps across the top. And we want to find this class notebook app. And if you don't have this yet, then it may be because you don't have the add-in yet. So just let me know if you don't. But most everyone should have this class notebook. So you're going to click on that. And it's going to pull up a page that looks like this. It says, Welcome to OneNote Class Notebook. And we're going to start with creating our class notebook. So click on that button. It says, what's the name of your class? This can be however you want to organize it. So, for instance, if I want to keep a binder for this workshop, I would do Technology Workshop 2018. And now I'm going to gather, this is going to be a binder for my class, for you guys are my class in this Technology Workshop. And I can put everything that we need for this class in here. So that's the name. I'm going to hit next. And this shows each space that will be inside of it. So we have our collaboration space. This is one of my favorites. This is where we can all work together. So me as a teacher, and then you guys as a student, we can edit content at the same time, working together collaboratively. The content library is invaluable as a teacher. This is where you can put in any of your anchor charts, any of your notes or handouts, anything like this. Students cannot alter this content. Only the teacher can edit it. And then down here, student notebooks, and this is for private student work. So if I'm asking you guys to complete something where I'm going to take it for a grade, or I don't want you guys working collaboratively, this is where you guys can see your work and I can see your work, but none of the other students can. So you can only edit what you have there. Right here, this is a great option. This is if we want to add another teacher. So for those of us who maybe have a co-teacher, or if you departmentalize, this is a great way to include them on the notebook. But for this, I'm going to leave it blank and move on. This is why you want that list of your student emails, because you want to add them in here. So I will go ahead and just add a couple of you guys who are already here. And you can see there's lots of Michelle Williams, so I'll just go ahead and pick that. And lots of Amandas. Here we go. And then we can hit next. Now you can design this however you want. So they have places already set up for handouts, class notes, homework, and then quizzes. But maybe you want to add in something more specific. Maybe you want all of their final copies. You can have a section for that. For this, since it's just for the workshop, I'm going to leave it blank, but it's great that you can have that left there. So then we can hit next. I'm ready to go. It lets you preview it, and what I really love is that it lets you preview it from the teacher's view. This is what you would see as a teacher. And if you click over here, it lets you see it from the student's view. And you can see there are slight differences. This, I can see all the students, there's only two, but all the students here. And then over here, it shows me that it would be the one student could see it, and then they have each of their sections that they could see. So now that we can see it, we can hit create. And it just takes a few minutes to set up. And then it'll be done. So once it looks like this, you can open up in OneNote. And then you can also have this add-in. And this add-in has a lot of really fun new things that you can get. So we will go ahead and open it in OneNote. And if we're looking here, we want to make sure that it is at this technology workshop. You can click on it and it will say, getting started with the collaboration space. And this green arrow right here will let you go to the main page. This is the main page of that area, and you have officially created your OneNote class notebook.